Cutting to the chase, unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, to cut to the chase. If you've ever wondered what this means and how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and cut to the chase with our explanation. The expression, to cut to the chase, has a rather cinematic origin. It dates back to the early days of Hollywood film production. In silent films, especially, directors would sometimes drag out the plot with unnecessary scenes, much to the audience's frustration. When viewers and critics expressed their desire for action, filmmakers were advised to cut to the chase, a term that meant skipping directly to the chase scene, often the most exciting part of the film. This phrase has since evolved beyond the realm of cinema. When we say, to cut to the chase, in everyday language, we're essentially asking someone to skip the unnecessary details and get to the main point or the most important part of a conversation or story. It's often used in situations where time is limited or when the speaker feels that the conversation is veering off into less relevant territory. Using "to cut to the chase" is quite straightforward. It can be used in both formal and informal settings, but it's important to gauge the context to avoid coming off as rude or impatient. Here are a couple of examples. In a business meeting, I know time is precious, so let's cut to the chase and discuss the quarterly results. In a personal conversation, I appreciate all the background information, but could you cut to the chase? What exactly are you suggesting? There are several ways to convey the same idea without using the phrase, to cut to the chase. Some synonyms include, get to the point, skip to the good part, don't beat around the bush. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal preference. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, to cut to the chase, with confidence. It's a handy expression that can save time and make communication more efficient. Remember, English is a vibrant language with countless expressions just waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!